Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm not hacker, and today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of networking for hackers. Whether you're just getting started or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is packed with valuable insights, tools, and techniques that you can use to take your hacking knowledge to the next level. From understanding the basics of IP addresses and protocols to advanced topics like packet sniffing, network scanning, and vulnerabilities, this video will guide you every step of the way. Grab your notes, get comfortable, and let's explore how networking forms the backbone of ethical hacking. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Always stay ethical in your work. If you're ready, smash that like button and let's jump into it. Now, let's make this more relatable. Imagine this: you're sitting at home, and right there in the corner of your room is your Wi-Fi box, the gateway to the internet. It's what connects your devices like your phone, laptop, and even your smart TV to the World Wide Web. But have you ever thought about how that connection actually works? Here's what happens. Your device sends a request to your Wi-Fi box, technically called a router, which then forwards that request to your Internet Service Provider, ISP. The ISP connects you to the Internet, retrieves the data you're asking for, and sends it back to your device. But here's the interesting part for us hackers. That Wi-Fi box isn't just a magical Internet provider, it's a network hub. It stores critical information like IP addresses, device logs, and connection histories. And guess what? If you know the vulnerabilities, you can explore, analyze, and even strengthen the security of your home network. For example, tools like Wireshark can be used to sniff the traffic between your devices and the router. You can learn how devices communicate, identify potential security holes, and understand protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, and UDP in real time. Remember, this is your home network. It's yours to analyze and secure. This kind of practice is essential for understanding how larger networks work, like corporate systems or public Wi-Fi networks. The key is to build your skills ethically and responsibly. Alright, now let's break down how your Wi-Fi box, technically called a router, works behind the scenes. Think of your Wi-Fi box as the traffic cop of your home network. Its job is to direct data between your devices and the Internet, ensuring everything flows smoothly. Here's how it works. The connection. Your router connects to your ISP through a wired connection, usually a broadband cable or fiber optic line. It acts as the bridge between your home and the outside Internet. IP addressing. Every device in your home, your phone, laptop, or smart fridge, gets a unique identifier called an IP address, assigned by your router. These IP addresses are what help the router keep track of which device requested what data. Data packets. When you open a website or stream a video, your device sends small chunks of data called packets to your router. The router processes these packets and sends them out to the Internet to fetch what you need. Once the data comes back, it sends the right packets to the correct device. Think of this like letters being mailed to the post office and delivered back to your home. Firewall and security. The router also works as a security gate. It can block unauthorized traffic using a built-in firewall, and it ensures that external hackers can't easily infiltrate your home network. However, not all routers are secure by default, which is why hackers often target them for vulnerabilities. Wireless signal. The Wi-Fi part is the router broadcasting a wireless signal that your devices can connect to. This signal has a limited range and is encrypted to prevent outsiders from snooping on your data. Encryption methods like WPA2 or WPA3 ensure that your traffic is safe. Now, let's take it a step further. Traffic from your router travels to the Internet through a series of servers, switches, and other routers. It's a complex chain, but understanding your own Wi-Fi box is the first step in understanding the bigger picture of how networks operate. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something valuable about networking and how your Wi-Fi box works. Remember, ethical hacking is all about learning and securing systems, not exploiting them. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more in-depth tutorials, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @IamNotHacker for updates, tips, and behind-the-scenes content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay ethical, stay curious, and keep learning. Take care.
I believe can call the one. You gon' be my only